the problem with the India Alliance members, like the Aam Aadmi Party, is that they think that giving political responses to issues concerning the common man will make the issue go away, will make the hard questions go away. So today, when Republic cameras chased and confronted Saurabh Bhardwaj, minister in the Kejriwal government, on the negligence that killed 7 infants, he said he will answer the question the day Republic cameras confront Brijbhushan Sharan Singh over the killing of 2 innocents in Kaisarganj. Well, I don't need his advice because he doesn't know anything. We had already done some really hard questioning in Kaisarganj, both of Brijbhushan Sharan Singh and his son. Because unlike the AAP, unlike the Aam Aadmi Party, the Republic Media Network does not need telling how to do their jobs because we have done it much before we confronted him. Ladies and gentlemen, here are the 2 chase sequences, and then we'll get straight into the debate on both the cases of Kaisarganj and the infant deaths that happened most unfortunately in the national capital, which, by the way, were completely covered up by the Lutyens media.
कि सर लापरवाही तो है सर, क्योंकि ऐसे और भी हॉस्पिटल चल रहे होंगे बेबी केयर जैसे, जो कि लाइसेंस नहीं है, लेकिन तब भी जो है अपना हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट जब वो कहीं ना कहीं सोचते सर।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की पत्रकारिता आपका चैनल करता है।
कल भी सर हम पहुंचे थे, लेकिन हमें दिल्ली सचिवालय में एंट्री नहीं करने दी गई क्योंकि कहा रिपब्लिक बैन है। ऐसा क्यों सर? मीडिया तो स्वतंत्र है, उसके बाद भी
स्वतंत्र नहीं है ना, आप तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी का काम करते हैं। जिस दिन स्वतंत्र हो जाएंगे आपसे बात करेंगे।
सर 2 दिन से फॉलो करें, कल भी आप एंट्री गेट से चले गए, लेकिन आज हमने देखा कि आपसे बात की जाए, लेकिन सवालों के जवाब चाहिए वो नहीं मिल पा।
जिस दिन इंडिपेंडेंट पत्रकारिता करोगे उस दिन आपसे बात करेंगे।
सर पत्रकारिता हो रही है, लेकिन जवाब वही है कि 7 मासूम बच्चों का जिम्मेदार कौन, जिनके परिवार रो रहे हैं।
सिंह के बेटे की कार से 2 लोगों की हत्या हुई है, 2 लोगों की। जिस दिन अर्नब गोस्वामी उसके ऊपर स्टोरी करके बृजभूषण शरण सिंह का बाइट लेने आप जैसे लोगों को भेजेगा ना,
लेकिन सर उस पर तो कार्रवाई हो रही है, उस पर कार्रवाई हो रही है, वो भी खबर चली। लेकिन ये सर मेरा सवाल यही है कि जो दिल्ली में हॉस्पिटल बने हुए हैं उसमें लापरवाही क्यों सर? सिर्फ
जिस दिन अर्नब गोस्वामी बृजभूषण शरण सिंह के पीछे कैमरे वाले भेजेगा उस दिन सौरभ भारद्वाज उसका जवाब देगा।
Aam Aadmi Party Minister Saurabh Bhardwaj's response to Republic's questions on the negligence in Delhi that killed 7 newborn babies at an illegal daycare.
So we get multiple calls, maybe from the neighbors, maybe from the other also, because there was a blast of cylinder, chain of blast of cylinder. That's why they call. Now I think you must have read in the newspaper that the report has come that they wasted 35 minutes. And that's why my apprehension, that oxygen cylinder is very rough cylinder. It is not easy to blast. So unless it has been, exposed to the heat for a long time, then only it can blast. So I think that's true.
Saurabh Bhardwaj's OSD was suspended on the 29th of May for allowing the killings to happen. But this Aam Aadmi Party minister wants Republic not to ask him any questions. Republic doesn't need a journalism lecture from the Aam Aadmi Party. This morning at 9 a.m., we chased down Brijbhushan Singh and his son Karan Bhushan in the Kaisarganj hit-and-run cover-up.
What do you have to say about the incident that took place yesterday? Your son's convoy mowed down 2 people there. Are you ready to take the responsibility? घर क्यों सर? आप यहीं पे बताइए. Mr. Singh, what do you have to say? Please, you have to answer. 2 people have died. Are you ready to take the responsibility, Mr. Singh? तो आप यहीं पे बताइए ना,
बताइए
कि आप रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेंगे उस केस का।
केस क्या है?
2 लोग आपके बेटे के कॉन्वॉय से कुचलते हुए।
हमारे बेटे की गाड़ी का जो काफिला था, 4-5 गाड़ी सजा, जब एक्सीडेंट हुआ है तो 3 किलोमीटर का अंतर था, 3-4 किलोमीटर उनकी गाड़ी आती है।
बट रौंदे तो उन्हीं की गाड़ी से गए ना।
आप ही कर लीजिए ना, फैसला कर लीजिए ना, आप अपराधी बना दीजिए अभी तो।
बट एटीट्यूड तो हमेशा से यही रहा है कि कर दियो, फिर उसके बाद बोला गया तो आप पहले ही बोलते तो अपराधी बना दो, ये
बना दो। तो आपको पता है कि वो बच्चे पहले एक महिला से लड़े हैं, महिला से लड़ने के बाद उनकी गाड़ी डिसबैलेंस होकर के जाकर के टकराई है और उसमें 2 बच्चों का निधन हो गया है। घटना दर्दनाक, मतलब दुखदाई है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। लेकिन
तो आप responsibility ले रहे हो
उसमें
इसकी?
करण भूषण नहीं, उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेगा ड्राइवर।
कैसे ड्राइवर लेगा? आपकी बेटी की कॉन्वॉय थी, आप इसी तरह किसी बेगुनाह के ऊपर आप ऐसे डाल देंगे, ड्राइवर के ऊपर डाल देंगे ये चीज, ड्राइवर के ऊपर डाल दोगे?
For the 7 newborns charred due to the Aam Aadmi Party government's negligence. For the 2 innocent young men mowed down by the convoy of Karan Bhushan, a BJP candidate. We won't spare anyone. Republic will continue to chase them, seeking accountability.
First, I want to discuss the Delhi case. In the case of Delhi, this is directly under the responsibility of the Aam Aadmi Party. 7 children have died. Akashdeep Muni, Arvind Kejriwal, Saurabh Bhardwaj, none of them feel responsible. 7 children died because of the negligence of the Kejriwal government. In fact, there was a report that there are over 1,400 illegal nursing homes in Delhi. Those who are running illegal nursing homes must be giving bribes to the local government or the local officials. The health minister says, I'm not responsible, then who is?
See, Arnavji, these are all your presumptions that the health government is not working, Delhi ministry is not working. But one thing I want to tell you and your audience, in January, February, March of this particular year, letters from Saurabh Bhardwaj has gone to Lieutenant Governor regarding SB Deepak, who is the health secretary, regarding lack of medicine in hospitals, implementation of Farishta scheme, deliberate stopping of healthcare medicines and salary.
This hospital where the children died, one question to you.
Now,
One question to you, Akashdeep, very specific.
Okay.
Very specific. See, it's very easy. When you are in power, you do no work. Elections come, you realize I have not done
The
any work.
interesting factor is
1
that
minute,
you have-
please. 1 minute, please allow me to complete. You are in power for several years. You do no work. 1,400 illegal nursing homes come up, right? Hospitals are working on expired licenses. There are no fire safety measures. Elections are coming. You are afraid that some accident may happen. You write a letter saying, you see, I've got a bad bureaucrat. He's responsible, not me. My question is very, very simple. The health department had found during an inspection in 2021 that it could admit only 5 newborns. The OSD of the health minister, Saurabh Bhardwaj, tried to increase the capacity of the hospital to 10 babies, following an application from the owner of the hospital. There was no fire safety measures. This hospital was operating on an expired license. There were no fire safety measures. Okay. The OSD, allow me, the OSD writes a letter. No, doesn't matter, double the capacity of the hospital. It gets doubled. More oxygen cylinders are brought in. The place does not have the physical infrastructure to support it. Fire breaks out, children die. And you are saying you're not responsible. Who is an OSD?
Now
What
let
is
me
this? What is the technical? No, 1 minute. What is the technical capacity of the OSD to make recommendations on how many infants can be allowed to operate in a hospital with no license? This is open corruption. This is murder. This is what you people said you will come to politics against. Sanju is on the debate. Sanju.
Thank you.
Sanju is on the debate. Sanju. No, this is
Mr. Muni,
this is open debate now. Akashdeep, after her you come in. I gave you the opening round. I gave you the opening round.
Akashdeep Muni,
I gave you the opening round, Akashdeep.
stop being so intolerant.
I will come back to you. I will come back to you. You listen. I responded to you. You respond after
It's
her.
turning into a bandit. Akashdeep Muni, it's not your turn to speak now. Let me speak.
Nursing home
Arnav,
from
first let him finish. I
2021
refuse to debate like this every single
March.
evening.
Registration
I listen to
ended
this
on
man
March
very patiently. I will not
Hospital
heckle
applied
him,
for
but
extension
I
in
refuse to be
February.
heckled on your show.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1
I
minute.
tell you, moderate the debate.
1 minute. Viewers, what you are seeing here, Saurabh Bhardwaj says,
Health Ministry
1 minute.
of Saurabh Bhardwaj Okay,
Why-
let me
why are
complete
you
now.
giving a free run
You
to
said it,
Akashdeep
but
Muni?
The deficiency
glorified
memo was
Kejriwal
given to the
chamcha.
Minister of Health.
This man,
When the
Akashdeep Muni, is a
inspection was
glorified
done,
Kejriwal
and
retailer.
The registration was
Akashdeep
cancelled
Muni
of
is
this
a
person.
glorified Kejriwal chamcha. Can I please have my say?
Arey
Thank you.
chamcha aap hogi, please don't
Yes.
use that type of language with me. Come on.
You masquerade as a political analyst. You are a paid chamcha of Kejriwal. Shant raho. You should be ashamed of yourself. Coming here and supporting the heinous crime of 7 newborn babies being charged to death because of negligence of the Kejriwal regime. Arnab, can I please come in? Fine, let him
I am.
Let him speak because you will not moderate the debate. You want this
not taking
tutu
calls of the
madam to
minister.
happen.
1 minute, please, Akashdeep. Let her speak. You had the opening remark. I heard you. I must give her a response, and I have another important story to also cover.
Will the health secretary come out? He is absconded.
I refuse to, Arnab, if I...
Okay, Sanju's turn to respond. Akashdeep, your turn to listen. Thank you.
Because Arnab, you don't like it when I switch off my video and...
Yeah, that I don't like, I admit, but please
Yes,
continue.
If you don't like that, then you have to appreciate my time also.
Yeah,
I'm not
continue,
going to listen
continue,
to rubbish
Sanju.
from this fellow. I'm here to make my stand clear. Let me be very clear. First and foremost, there are only 3 things which are under the ambit of the Lieutenant Governor. Land, police, and of course, law and order, which is under the Union Home Ministry in Delhi. Health, sanitation, PWD, hospitals, the works, everything else comes under Kejriwal. And Saurabh Bhardwaj is the health minister. Look at the shamelessness of Saurabh Bhardwaj. Rather than commenting as to why his OSD, R.M. Das, has been violating every possible norm, is not being held accountable, why is Atul Garg? He has been the head of the Delhi Fire Brigade Department despite more than 36 complaints against him right from the time when Satyendra Jain was the health minister. Saurabh Bhardwaj chooses to indulge in ad hominem attacks against Arnab Goswami. Arnab has asked me many tough questions. I've had heated debates here on his shows, agreeing sometimes and disagreeing more often than not. But to say Arnab Goswami ko bolo ki pehle Bhajapa se sawal kare, Arnab Goswami does not know his job. Saurabh Bhardwaj, who the hell are you to teach journalists, especially people like Arnab Goswami, their job? My limited point is this. Was a NOC given to this hospital in Vivek Vihar in violation of prudential norms? Yes. Is Saurabh Bhardwaj culpable homicide? Yes. Is Saurabh Bhardwaj's OSD, R.M. Das, a senior IAS officer, also culpable of negligence? Yes. Is the head of Fire Brigade Department, Atul Garg, who also reports to Kejriwal, culpable in this culpable homicide case? The answer is yes. And in 30 seconds. When there was the dengue case in 2016, Kejriwal was getting his throat infection, treated at the Jindal Clinic in Bengaluru. When last year Delhi, large parts of Delhi were submerged in flood water, Atishi and Saurabh Bhardwaj were engaging in photo ops. At the peak of COVID, it was thanks to Narendra Modi and Amit Shah that Delhi was rescued. Kejriwal ne to haath
Are you going to fire
मुझसे ना हो पाएगा जी.
Are you going to fire him?
COVID, Kejriwal said मुझसे ना हो पाएगा जी.
टीम में नहीं
During the floods last year in Delhi,
If Kejriwal, the problem with Kejriwal is he's more concerned. No, the problem is also Akashdeep, as I wrap up this particular debate, I want to run the entire sequence. Of our confrontation with Brijbhushan Sharan Singh. Do I have the entire sequence? Can our producers pull it out? Okay, let's pull it out in a 30 seconds. You see, the question here is the question is this, viewers, that this week we've had 4 cases. Rajkot, where so many children died. Delhi, where so many children died. We've had the Pune Porsche cover-up, where super rich super brats have killed 2 professionals, right? We've had cases in Chandigarh, in Mohali overnight, where again people in luxury cars have gone and killed people. The culture we have here right now is that if you have a few connections, you can get away. I did not need Saurabh Bhardwaj's lecture on confronting Brijbhushan Sharan Singh because we had already done it. Do I have the clip? Then I'll play it and I'll go to the debate. Do I have the clip? Not yet? Okay. My question here is, Raman Malik, is to you, and Ratnakar Tripathi is on the debate. he says मेरे बेटे को रोकने की क्या ज़रूरत है? His basic point is if 2-3 people die, it is not important enough for his son, who is the BJP candidate, to stop the car, take the victims to the hospital. What kind of attitude is this? This is actually a BJP candidate and his father talking like that? And not a single senior BJP leader has really spoken on this case. Raman Malik?
Arnab,
Yeah.
first and foremost, one important factor which you lost in the earlier topic was that only 23 hospitals have fire clearance. You must also investigate that.
No, anyway, talk about
Having
this
said
case
that-
of Brijbhushan Sharan Singh and his
Having
son.
said that, I'm coming to Brijbhushan. I am not aware, neither are you nor your reporter, whether Brijbhushan Sharan Singh's son, Karan Singh, was he in front of that car? Was he behind that car? Was he in that car? None of us are aware.
No, I'm aware. You
Had
can't
he-
make that
had
presumption
he
that
been
I'm not
in
aware.
that
One
car?
minute. First of all, I am aware through my sources that his son, Karan Bhushan, was in the cavalcade. Secondly, I have a confirmation
in
of
that
that. I
particular
have a
vehicle?
confirmation of that from Brijbhushan himself. Where Brijbhushan
Was he
says,
in that particular vehicle?
1 minute, no, 1 minute now, 1 minute please. Where he says, my son was in the cavalcade. He then claims the cavalcade was 3 kilometers long. He then claims the cavalcade was 3 kilometers long. Now make an assumption, okay, that every car at the max is 4 meters long, max to max. That's also a stretch. Okay, he's saying the cavalcade was 4,000 meters. That means he claims there were 1,000 cars in the cavalcade. Keep the distance between two cars at 2 meters minimum. He's claiming there were 750 cars in the cavalcade. Does he think we are mad? ये अपने आप को क्या समझता है? कुछ भी बोल देंगे. रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी खुला केस है. करण भूषण ने
अरे
कार ही
किसको
नहीं
पता है?
रोकी.
आपने देखा
खुला
है,
क्या
आपने-
बात कर रहे हैं
आपने
आप?
follow
क्या
करा
अभी
था
तक तो
क्या?
करण भूषण को उनको तो इंटेरोगेशन करना चाहिए था ना यूपी पुलिस ने.
अगर करण भूषण उस गाड़ी में बैठा है अर्नब,
अरे गाड़ी में बैठा है क्या? आपके आगे पीछे आपकी कैवलकेड की गाड़ी ने किसी को मारा, आपको पता तक नहीं है? आपको पता तक नहीं है?
हाउ कैन यू क्लेम इट? कल को आपकी गाड़ी मैं ले जाता हूँ, किसी के साथ एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है और आप यहाँ से उस जगह से 1 किलोमीटर आगे होते हैं क्या? आपके
अरे
ऊपर कोई
मान्यवर,
केस
आप मेरी
बनता है?
बात सुनिए. आपकी गाड़ी, आप मेरे गाड़ी को ले जाएं और आप एक्सीडेंट करें, गलती से हो जाए, बेलेबल ऑफेंस है. मगर अगर एक्सीडेंट करने के बाद
वो
जिस
जानबूझ
व्यक्ति
के
को
करा
आपने
हुआ है,
मारा,
how do you know it is
उनको
done?
रास्ते में छोड़कर आप निकल जाए, तब तो आपका दायित्व होता है कि नहीं? रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी जी, ये क्या हो रहा है? रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी,
आपको कैसे
नहीं, ये
पता है?
बुलडोजर अप्रोच इस केस में क्यों नहीं है? ब्रिजभूषण शरण सिंह पे बुलडोजर क्यों नहीं है? करण सिंह पे बुलडोजर क्यों नहीं है? करण
आपकी गाड़ी मैं लेके
ये करण
गया,
भूषण
उसमें
पे बुलडोजर
एक्सीडेंट
क्यों नहीं है?
आप 1 किलोमीटर आगे
अरे
हो,
उन पे भी
आपको कैसे
बुलडोजर
पता?
चलाइए.
फिर आपके ऊपर
ब्रिजभूषण पे बुलडोजर चलाइए, तब मानेंगे.
नो लॉजिक.
ब्रिजभूषण पे बुलडोजर चलाइए, उनके बेटे पे चलाइए बुलडोजर.
आर्ग्यूमेंट. यू आर मैन विद
रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी इज ऑन द डिबेट. रत्नाकर जी,
देखिए, इसमें 3 चीजें हैं: हेकड़ाई, थेथराई और गुंडाई.
गुंडाई.
आपका रिपोर्टर का सुना मैंने, दोपहर को भी सुना था मैंने. अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूं तो उन्होंने कहा कि 4-5 कारें थी पहले, फिर कहा कि वो 3 किलोमीटर पीछे थे, और उन्होंने कहा कि उन लड़कों ने पहले एक महिला को मारा, फिर मेरी लड़के के यहां से कार से लड़े, और ड्राइवर जिम्मेदारी लेगा. ये बात याद रखिएगा. ही हैज मेड द केस. ड्राइवर जिम्मेदारी लेगा. आप इस बात को समझिए. 4-5 लोग थे, 3 किलोमीटर का था. दे डोंट हैव एनी रिस्पेक्ट फॉर द लॉ एंड द पीपल, बिकॉज दे नो.
वो सुकन्या देवी forgotten?
प्लीज सर, लेट मी स्पीक.
अरे रत्नाकर जी बताओ ना, सुकन्या का केस तो सब मीडिया वालों ने भी दबा दिया था. आपने दबाया, उन्होंने दबाया, काम खत्म.
रत्नाकर
सुकन्या
त्रिपाठी.
देवी के ऊपर जितनी डॉक्यूमेंट्री
बताऊं,
बनी,
मीडिया वालों
सारी
ने
गायब
कुछ
हो
नहीं
गई.
दबाया.
कैसे?
जब ब्रिजभूषण
ये माफिया का तरीका है साहब. मैं तो आपसे सिर्फ ये पूछ
बाहर
रहा
आ
हूं
गए
कि आप बताइए
दिसंबर
कि अगर कल
2023
को
को इन्होंने
कांग्रेस की
नेताजी
कोई
से
प्रॉपर्टी
भेंट कर
से
ली,
इंसिडेंट हो
वो
जाता है, क्या
योगी जी
राहुल
के खिलाफ
गांधी
बोलने की
जिम्मेवार
हिम्मत
होंगे?
रखते हैं?
क्या सोनिया गांधी जिम्मेवार होंगी?
नहीं,
अरे वो तो
आप
तंदूर
जिम्मेवार
में
होंगे,
लड़की जलाई थी.
क्योंकि आप
क्या
बचाव कर
उसके
रहे
लिए
हैं.
गांधी परिवार
अपराध
जिम्मेवार
करने
हुआ?
वाला जिम्मेदार होता है और अपराध करने वाले को बचाना जिम्मेदार होता है. आपको भी अरेस्ट
तो
होना
फिर
चाहिए।
ये बताइए कि क्या आपके पास कोई भी ऐसा एविडेंस है जो ये कहता है कि करण भूषण सिंह
आप
उस गाड़ी में मौजूद था या उस गाड़ी के साथ था,
लेकिन
जिसकी
मैं
वजह से उसको उन लोगों को बचाना चाहिए था? ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ।
आप मुझे
आपके
बताइए,
पास
करण
एक
भूषण
तथ्य नहीं है और आप दे रहे हैं ज्ञान बांटने लग
No,
रहे हैं।
I think this has become a, I'll tell you one thing, I have been a great supporter of Yogi Adityanath's bulldozer approach. I am a supporter of his bulldozer approach, but I believe that there should be parity for all under the bulldozer approach. The bulldozer must apply to all people who break the law and those who are non-compliant with the law. Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh.
Just tell me one fact. When did he inquire that Karan Bhushan was not in the cavalcade?
Well, Karan Bhushan should be interrogated. At the very least.
Out that he was not involved there.
And ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for that because I have a huge political debate coming up next. How do I see it? The way I see it, ladies and gentlemen. The way I see it is that nobody likes to answer questions. The way I see it, no political party likes any more hard questions. Here is a visual, ladies and gentlemen, of Saurabh Bhardwaj running from the Republic cameras. When he's asked about the death of babies in a Delhi hospital, faster. Governance gone for a total loss, grieving parents losing their newborns, and this smugness doesn't leave Arvind Kejriwal's minister's face. Now there is a visual, faster, of Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh being confronted by a reporter after his convoy crushed two people. Look at the smugness that doesn't look at his face. Look at the angry way his give a damn level of entitlement from the party of the ruling government of both Uttar Pradesh and India. Now there is a visual of the Pune Police Commissioner, ladies and gentlemen, confronted by me and my reporters. This is not the shot of him running away. That's the shot. Thank you. As we go granular into the case, look at the discomfort of the Pune Police Commissioner and yet his sense of comfort that because he has Ajit Pawar's backing, he's going to get away with it. Ladies and gentlemen, the way I see it, nobody, including Ajit Pawar running here from our cameras, likes being questioned. But there is one network that will question them all, that will make them all run if necessary.